Instagram, how to hide active status. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide active status on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to hide active status on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Then just come to the profile icon from the bottom right to come to the profile page. Tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. And once you tap the three lines option from the top right, here you'll see different sorts of options such as privacy, account type, and so on, right? So from here you actually have to go to how others can interact with you, select messages and story replies, and here you'll find show activity status, and you have to turn this toggle off. So this is in the new interface because the Instagram's layout has changed a bit. So when you turn both of these toggles off, your active status will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off or hide your active status on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.